Hey guys, Lady Borgia here. Welcome back to my channel, and this is the first in my health, wellness, and lifestyle series. And I know you're saying, Lady Borgia, what the heck are you talking about? You're showing us an air conditioner. Trust me, just listen and you'll understand why. This is the new GE Ultra Quiet room air conditioner. This is a 6,150 BTU unit, although it also comes in an 8,000 BTU unit. And this thing is flying off the shelves as it is new out this season. I was lucky enough to get a hold of one. I'm also going to be buying an 8,000 unit, but let me show you the features. And you're going to understand why I want to get this out to you guys as quickly as possible. It has 3 cooling speeds / 3 fan speeds, 4-way air directions, a digital thermostat with remote, and is an easy mount installation kit. Let me tell you, it's not difficult at all. I did it with my mom. Yeah, no kidding. It has a beautiful remote that shows you everything, and I'm going to start to show you the features. So first, let's turn her on. All right, now I'm going to show you, we'll zoom in, there's 4 modes. You'll see that there's energy saver, fan, cool, and dehumidifier. Yes, this is one of the most fantastic things to this, other than it being ultra quiet, is this dehumidifies a room like crazy. And if you have fibromyalgia, rheumatoid arthritis, or one of the other autoimmune diseases, you'll understand why having a room that's not humid is so important. This is also in my studio. So if you guys want quiet and less humidity, this is the one to go for. But let me show it to you first so you understand. There's also 4 speeds, as you can see here: high, medium, automatic, and quiet. A temperature range of 61 to 84. We also have a sleep timer and a regular just timer. It tells you when you need to clear the air filter, and there's also the filter reset. Now, I'm going to show you the most fantastic thing about this air conditioner. Let's bump it up a little bit. In fact, oh, and that's the other thing too. If you don't like sleeping with lights, which I don't see this as being particularly lit up, if you look right here under my thumb that says light, boop, takes all the lights off if you want to have it in a bedroom. And if you'll see right there, let it focus where it says FC, it turns it into Fahrenheit or Celsius, just like that. So let's move in and let's go off of fan saver and move it on to cool, since it's really hot out. Now, this is the air conditioner running on cool high at 63 degrees. And we're going to bring her all the way down to the coldest she goes and the loudest she goes. Yeah, that's the loudest, guys. And sorry if I'm a little bit off. I just got my new rig today and my new Rode shotgun mic. So I'm getting used to it and having things balanced correctly. My rig has a level in it, so that's fantastic. I'm used to having my level on the screen. Okay, so let's see the next. Let's jack it up to medium. Okay. And let's go for it. We're going to hit quiet now. Now, honestly, you're wondering, does this keep the room cool? Yes. In fact, I forget it's on. Now, this is one of the best parts. Here we go. Dehumidifier. Now, granted, you can also just have it on fan if you'd like just the fan function. This, I could feel it when I put it on yesterday. Actually, before yesterday, I could feel it sucking the moisture out of the air. And it just is incredible. It gets nice and dry and comfortable. which is so important for anybody who has joint issues, fibromyalgia, whatnot. It's incredible. I cannot wait to get the 8,000 BTU unit for other places in my house. I'm used to having a dehumidifier and central AC, although I thought this would be cute to have a house from the 1930s. I did not know the extra details about it, and I'm learning. So here you go, guys. This is as loud as it gets. So moving on, because I don't want to make this particularly long, about the price. It is on sale right now, which is why I want to get it out to you guys as quickly as possible. Normally, this unit, which is 6,150 BTUs, is $279 plus tax at Lowe's. There is free shipping this weekend for Memorial Day. So if they don't have it in store, guess what? You can get it, and it's on sale for $249 plus tax. So even with tax, you get it then less than the full price. The 8,000 BTU unit, and unfortunately that's as far as they go. Hopefully next year they're going to be bringing in more because these are flying off the shelves, is regularly $319. It is on sale for $279. There's only a $30 difference. This one actually is more than enough for my studio. So the next one I do want to get the 8,000 BTUs, but I have never had such a phenomenal air conditioner. This thing is crazy. I give it a full thumbs up. It's lovely. It's, you know, if you got to have a window air conditioner, this is the one to get, because there were so many other ones on the shelves that were the same price and did not have all these functions. GE also makes a Wi-Fi one, although it is not ultra quiet, so you can turn it on before you get home, but I would rather have ultra quiet, especially in a studio and especially in a bedroom. So that is all. I hope this helps you guys. I have something else to help you too, but that's another video because I've got to get ready for use stories tonight. All right, guys. I hope this helps. So give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ding, 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 dong, ding. Don't forget to hit that notification bell because I have 2 live interactive weekly series, different series, and a minimum of 2 video uploads weekly. Although I have so many, there's probably going to be more. Like I said, this is always stuff that everyone can use. All right, guys. Love you all. Lady Borgia.